It's a buyer's market here, so you can always make offers on the property. Then you can come in and do your thing. So again, if you're looking for your own forever home, this is it. And of course, the process, like our people know now, it's a very equitable process. Meaning, if there's something wrong, like there's a crack in the wall, like right there, they have to repair it, stuff like that. So yeah. Welcome back to our channel, The Real South Africa. Of course, like and subscribe and all that crap. I'm just playing. But no, we got our people here on a real estate tour.
How are you this morning?
And we're doing well. Taking them on to another location. There go Tasha right there. Look at some of the houses that they're building. And you see how it's green, it's nice, and it's lush. This is what's happening. So we're gonna creep up on our team of people and see what they're doing. And they're getting a little in brief on the area. Yeah, but look at how beautiful this place is. Look how beautiful it is. And they're gonna get a chance to see all types of price points. So
coastal forest estate with its own unique indigenous swamp fig forest. It's about 20 hectares, which is got the most incredible bird life, animal life. And so they have two totally distinct characters which will appeal to you all in different ways. And then I'm sure Julie will show you what products we've got to offer. We've got from vacant pieces of land to house packages which are being built.
we're gonna keep creeping through this place. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And I'm still downstairs. I hadn't even made it upstairs. So I assume this is the sitting area when you first come in, because that's where you first come in. Yeah, this is interesting. So I'm gonna go upstairs. Oh, there's a thing there. Not yet. Okay. That's the bathroom right there, which is nice. Another downstairs bedroom. I guess this for when, you can't make it upstairs. Yeah, it's pretty nice. But you got it, man. You got it. We're gonna cut a deal for you.
Oh man.
Look at these walls.
Yeah.
Man, this is the real deal. All right.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notifications button so you don't miss out on all things The Real South Africa. Thanks again.